In today's video, we're diving into 3 of the best astrology apps for Android. Whether you're looking for daily horoscopes, personalized insights, or Vedic astrology, these apps are here to guide you on your astrological journey. Let's get started and see what each one has to offer. Nebula Horoscope v Astrology. Nebula Horoscope v Astrology is a comprehensive astrology app that provides users with personalized daily horoscopes, astrological insights, and compatibility analysis. The app features an easy-to-navigate interface, allowing users to access detailed readings based on their zodiac signs and natal charts. Users can explore different aspects of astrology, including love life, career, and relationships through tailored content. Nebula also offers guided meditations and articles on astrology to deepen users' understanding. Whether you're an astrology novice or an expert, Nebula delivers valuable insights and tools to enhance your astrological journey. JyotishApp Astrology Jyotish. JyotishApp Astrology Jyotish specializes in Vedic astrology, focusing on the traditional practices from the Indian astrological system. The app provides detailed horoscope readings, personalized charts, and predictions based on your birth details. Users can explore various aspects of their lives, such as health, finances, and relationships, through extensive astrological assessments. JyotishApp also offers features such as gemstone recommendations, daily predictions, and astrological consultations, making it a great resource for those interested in deeper Vedic insights. The user-friendly interface ensures that users can easily navigate through its many features. Cosmic Insight Astrology. Cosmic Insight Astrology is an engaging app that combines astrology with personal development insights. Users receive daily horoscopes and personalized reports covering various aspects of life, including emotional wellness and relationship guidance. Cosmic Insight also features yoga and meditation suggestions tailored to users' astrological profiles, promoting holistic well-being. The app offers compatibility assessments, career advice, and life path insights, making it a multifaceted tool for self-discovery. With its intuitive design and comprehensive features, Cosmic Insight ensures that users have an enriching astrological experience. Thanks for watching our video on the best astrology apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you explore your astrological insights and enhance your understanding of yourself and your relationships. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.